Hello everyone, today I will be doing a very quick review on this set of laundry bags by the brand BAGAIL. It comes in a set of 7 total items. 2 of them are these kind of can pop out cylindrical type of bags, so it has a little bit of reinforcement at the top and the bottom to help prevent unnecessary compression. So these are of course really meant to be used with bras so that you don't get the straps tangled up, and it helps maintain the shape of the cups. So you get 2 of those. You also get 2 of these smaller bags, which are 12 by 16 inches in size. So these are kind of more suitable for like putting your underwear or your socks. The next size is 20 inches by 16 inches. So this is a little bit bigger. You could probably put slightly larger items in there. Maybe a very special shirt or shorts. Maybe you don't want the logo imprint to rub off. And then finally, this really enormous 24 by 24 inch bag here. Not too sure what you would really use it for, because you don't really want to put too many bulky items in these confined bags. Even with the pretty large perforations in the mesh, it would definitely take a significantly longer time to dry, and it probably won't wash as well either in these bags. So I'm not exactly quite sure what they intend to really use this for practically. I know on the website it says for like down jackets, but I highly doubt you want to stuff a jacket into that one. And if you haven't noticed already, each one of the bags is a different color in the zipper strip, so it's very easy to identify for sorting purposes. If you take things out of the wash, take things out of the dryer, you can easily remember what you had put in which bag. So this is also great not only for doing laundry, of course, but also for organizing your clothes if you were to travel. In terms of material choice, I think they did a good job in terms of picking out the right size kind of polyester mesh. And by the way, all of this is 100% polyester. And also the zippers are all plastic, so you don't need to worry about this rusting in the wash. I do own several types of these laundry bags, and I have to say that the zippers on these are quite good. They stay closed when you want them to in the wash, so you don't have to worry about clothes falling out because the zipper was too loose. So overall, I definitely think these are a good product. They do as they are advertised. I'm just not too quite sure what you really would get out of the really large bag, but for the smaller bags, definitely great for putting in delicate items, things you don't want to mix with other clothing but want to use the same wash. Another really great way to utilize these bags is for items that have things like Velcro that might snag on other clothing if they're washed together. So for example, gloves, or in this case, a wrist brace that has a Velcro. Just a word of caution though, you definitely don't want to use this as a means of separating your whites from your colored clothing. And the reason is not so much that the colors will still seep through and mess up your white clothing, but it's more so you don't want to put, again, very bulky items in these bags. Otherwise, they would take at least double amount of time to dry. I experimented this myself, so I'd only put 1 or 2 shirts in one of those larger bags, and I found that everything inside was still very damp, and they would otherwise be dried if I had not had them in bags. So essentially, you still would use the same amount of energy as you would to have 2 separate washes if you were to try to cram everything in these laundry bags. So definitely, as a reminder, this is meant for your delicate items like intimates, underwear, and also you could use these outside of laundry for organizing purposes, whether in your dresser or in your suitcase. As usual, if you're interested, check out the description for the product link.